Hi, welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Eric Anderson. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our new arrivals.
Here we have a 2014 Toyota RAV4 Limited. It has a clean Carfax report and it comes equipped with power heated side mirrors, chrome window trim, roof rails, and deep tinted glass. Its combination of features, passenger space, and everyday utility warrant a closer look if you're shopping for a small crossover. This RAV4 has 18-inch alloyed wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this RAV4 is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, along with fog lights and a really nice chrome accent grille with the iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This RAV4 has all-wheel drive and it's estimated that drivers receive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this RAV4 has only 26,981 miles on it. At the back of the RAV4, you can see the antenna and the lip spoiler, along with the rear wiper, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open this power lift gate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this RAV4 has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with a nice leatherette upholstered dashboard and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the adjustable heated leather seating. The driver's seat even has memory features. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This RAV4 is also equipped with door bins, fade to off interior lighting, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power liftgate, the driver's seat memory, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver 1 touch up and down. This RAV4 has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilt and sliding power moonroof. This touchscreen display is home to the in-tune multimedia and navigation features, and it is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It is MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze.
If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.